නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස. Who is study Pali before? Others first time. Before explain. Yeah, separation. Okay. Did you do homeworks? Complete? No. Can I collect? Huh? Can I collect your homeworks list? Cannot. Okay, now I am going to check your homeworks first. Huh? Please try to translate sentence by sentence. I ask first from Bhikkhu side, Bhante side. First one of the Bhante explain. Dharaka. First recite whole sentence. Yes. Panchami ekavachana. From the stairway also can. No? The children fall from the stairway. Okay. Next one. Can I suggest one by one? Okay. Can? Okay. Another Bhante first. Another also. If Tatya
buy wheat to the lay devotees.
The beggar receives rice from the lay devotees. Okay, but according to now we are going to explain ablative of separation. Because of the reason we try to add, you also try to add, always follow the Panchami. Okay, from the lay devotees, but with the lay devotees also we can apply, we can translate. Anyway, now you know how to translate. Okay, next one. Next also akadhanti. Rajaka. Yes. Meaning again. Beds, no, manche. Beds, yeah, the beds. Okay, good. Okay, next one, this line. Okay, try. Meaning okay, the deers run away or run to the mountain from the lions also can. Anyway, according to English you can build any of sentence. Okay, next line. Can try. First recite. Dhivara Patama Bahuvachana. Next line, next three words. Panchami Ekavachana. Amachanang Chatutti Mache Tutiya Aharanti. Meaning again, the fisherman brings the fish from the village to the ministers. Okay, next line. Next line, try to practice. Brahmano. Hmm. 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 Meaning. Hmm. Next line. Meaning. Next line. Akirya ekavachana. Meaning. Understand? Understand? Okay. Okay, last line. Vanara. Okay. How to translate? Okay. How to translate? Difficult? No difficult. Hmm? How many verbs? How many nouns? Who is subject? Uh, one subject, two words, two verbs. Uh, you have to know. Usually, now we are reading the book, example some of his history book, always not mention the name of the subject, no? Always we use he, it, she, like this, like we use the some words, no? We call pronouns. But here we not include the pronouns, but anyway, meaning Vanara Pabbatamha Oruhanti. The monkeys descend from the mountain. It's better Rukke Aruhanti. The two sentences we have to join. But we not put any Pali words. But anyway, you can bracket and meaning ascend to the trees. Okay, climb to the tree also can. Okay, the and meaning in Pali cha. Cha, ca cha meaning and ca cha one alphabet, one letter give the meaning and. Okay, if you add the cha, Vanara Pabbatamha Oruhanti cha Rukke Aruhanti cha. One cha enough. Two cha also can add, don't worry. No, between also can. Okay, understand? Okay, next line. Vanija mittehi sadding ratehi gamehi agachanti. Vanija mittehi sadding tateya ratehi cannot see, no? Ratehi karana, no? Because the karana are karana bahuvachana. Gamehi panchami agachanti. Word by word meaning, please. Vanija. This line, please. I ask from this line. Try to translate. Okay? Before last line. Okay? Vanija. The merchants. Mittehi sadding. With the friend, with his friend also can. Ratehi. By the vehicle. Okay? Gamehi. From the villages. Plural. Agat chanti. Come. Whole sentence. Friends by chariots or by vehicle, na? Okay. Okay, next line. The deer runs from the lion. Answer. Migo Sihamha Dhavati. Migo Sihamha Dhavati. Next one, the deities descend from the heaven to the world. Deva Saggamha or Saggasma Lokang Oruhanti or Otarati also can. Yeah, because the Deva Oruhanti or Otaranti. Okay. Oruhanti or Otaranti. Next one, the Brahmins worship the light from the sun with their disciples. Ye Brahmana Savakehi Suryamha Alokang Vandanti. Okay. Next one, next line. The hermits take food from the wise men with balls for the beggars. Meaning, okay. First, word by word, the hermits, tapasa, take, ganhanti, food, aharang, from the wise men, panditehi, with balls, patehi, for the beggars. Now, whole sentence. Tapasa panditehi yachakanang panditamha aharang ganhanti. Tapasa pattehi yes, Bahuvachana. Okay. Panditehi, yeah. Understood? Okay, next one. The bird falls from the sky to the tree. Sakuno Akasamha or Akasasma or Akasa Rukkahang Patati. Sakuno Akasamha Rukkahang Patati. Okay, next time I have to collect your homeworks. Okay, I will collect next time. Homeworks meaning homeworks, not the classwork. Okay. No, so no. Homeworks and classwork different, no? Okay, next one. The hunter carries lambs from the island for his son with his hand. Oh, very complicated, no? Oh, the hunter, Ludda ko, carries harati, lambs, the plural, no? The from the island. Dipamha Dipasma, for his son. Puttassa or Puttaya, with his hand. Hatte he. Okay, together. Luddako hatte he puttassa dipamha dipe harati. Okay. Next one. The farmers bring rocks from the mountains for the ministers by carts. The farmers. Kasaka. Did you see farmers in Singapore? This time also? The farmers Kasaka bring aharanti, rocks. Pasani, from the mountains. Pabbate he, for the ministers. Amachanang, by carts. Saka te he. Okay, whole sentence. Good. Kasaka sakatehi amachanang patbatehi pasane aharanti. Next one. The serpent bites the pig from the village. Oh, not sure, no? Usually pig eat the serpent. Okay? Sapo bites me. Dasati. Dasati varahang. Varahang from the village. But anyway, you try to understand word by word, because the actually in the village is better, but not yet we study. The serpent bites the pig from the village. Sapo gamamha varahang dasati. Okay, next one. The child takes an arrow from the pit for his teacher. Ganhati sarang avate avata avatamha avatasma for his teachers. Meaning okay. Next one, the layman set out from the village with the recluses to the palace. Meaning what? Set out. Get out also okay. Get out. Yeah, nikkamana. He go away. Go away. Go away. Set out can nikkamanti. Okay. Nikkamanti. From the village. Gama with the samanehi to the palace. Pasadang. Hold together. Pasaka samanehi pasadan nikkamanti. Okay. Now I am going to explain our new lesson. Okay. Yeah, but usually the subject and verb, yeah, you have to put the beginning and end of the sentence. Usually the accusative also coming before the verb. Before the verb. Other things we can change. We can change. Now we are coming to our lesson chatti. Genitive case. This meaning belongs of the man or the Buddha's teaching. Buddha's or of the. Now we are coming to explain declension of genitive case. Chatti. Chatti. Okay. The case ending s. This is singular. Quite same to chatutti dative. Okay. But you have to practice, understand, after read whole sentence. Plural also anang. Okay. Now this meaning belong. Okay. Okay, understand? Okay, now I am going to generate. Okay. Nara plus s naras. Nara anang naranang. Narasa meaning of the man, the mens. Of the men, the men's. Okay? Understood? Narasa, naranang. Dhivarasa, dhivaranang. Of the fishermen, the fishermen's. Of the fishermen, the fishermen's. Okay, if you need, write down. Yes, same Chaturthi. Then after you are going to example sentence, you can understand. When I was studying time also, the study at that moment also I also confused. But later we are continuously study, then understood what is the different meaning. How to understand according to sentence. Okay. Narasa, naranang, dhivarasa, dhivaranang. Understand meaning, no? Next one. Tapasassa, tapasanang. Same way you can practice, no? Very easy. Tapasassa, tapasana. Purisassa, purisana. Kassa, kassa, kassakana. Yachakassa, yachakana. Bhopalassa, bhopalana. Only you have to change, you have to add only nouns. To the suffix here have sa, ana. You have to add only nouns. Now how many nouns do you know? Maybe now nearly 100 or 100? Nearly 100, no? 81. Oh, good. 81 nouns. Yeah, we have to make list, then have to by heart. Then you can always you can reflection, the anusati. You can remind. You can always remind. Amachassa, amachana. Amachassa, amachana. Okay. amachasa, amachana. Okay, next one. Okay, now all together. Okay, please recite Divaro, Divara. Oh, now without see, you can practice, you can recite? Can? Okay, okay, try. Now, I thought we already by heart. Huh? Okay? Okay, follow me. Dhivaro, Dhivara, Dhivarang, Dhivare, Dhivarena, Dhivarebi, Dhivarehi, Dhivaraya, Dhivarasa, Dhivaranang, Dhivara, Dhivaramha, Dhivarasma, Dhivarebhi, Dhivarehi, Dhivarasa, Dhivaranang. Same way. Naro, Nara, Narang, Nare, Narena, Narebhi, Narehi, Naraya, Narasa, Naranang, Nara, Naramha, Narasma, Narebhi, Narehi, Narasa, Naranang. Okay? Maybe next time one person try to by heart one nouns, how to we divide according cases. Okay? Okay. Can? Try, yeah? Then I will ask one by one. At that time, no any? Nobody come to class. Today also few, yeah, miss. Okay? Okay, don't write. Maybe I not. Okay. Another example. Okay, recite. Okay, do you want write down? Okay, write down. New homeworks. Hmm? Sunati. Okay. Okay, finish? No. Okay. I cannot give example according to Sutta. according to Pali stance, because your Pali knowledge, especially the grammar knowledge, not enough. The vocab not important, then Pali grammar knowledge not enough. Okay, maybe this time I cannot. Maybe if I have time, maybe next time. I don't know what time. When? Nah? I don't know when. Maybe if we have opportunity again explain to them, maybe I will see. But I am planning to stay longer, but our class finish 10 of the May. Because many people join to meditation retreat in the Batam, no? It is important thing. Because okay, same, but no need to write down. You try to practice. Okay. Okay, this practice okay. Where is vocabulary? It's not here. Vocabulary is not here. Everybody have? Okay, everybody receive the vocab list. New vocab list. New one. Sailor and navy, sailing. Navy. Yeah, sailor. But Navika, Navy also can say the Navy, not one person, the group in Navy, no? Oh. No, because Sri Lankan we Navy. Okay, please. Okay, new vocab. They have the 10 nouns and 9 verbs. Please recite Pali stem. Navika. Navika. Meaning? Do you know meaning Chinese? Okay. Samudra. Samudra. Meaning? Nivasa. Nivasa. Meaning? Sapurisa. Sappurisa meaning good man also can. Asappurisa Asappurisa meaning oh, you are wicked man? No. Huh? Oh. Okay. But our Lord Buddha explained I remember Sappurisa Asappurisa. We say the virtuous man and wicked man. This virtuous man we call Kalyana Mitta, good friend. This Kalyana Mitta, our Lord Buddha divide two ways. Putujjana Kalyana Mitta and Arya Kalyana Mitta. Ordinary good man, noble good man. Okay. Now we are include ordinary good man. What is the quality of the Kalyana Mitta? What are the qualities of Kalyana Mitta? How we understand this man is wicked man, this man is good man. How we understand? Non-hatred, not anger. Okay. 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 Anguttara Nikaya one sutta explain the three quality of the Sappurisa and three quality of the Asappurisa. Suchintita chinti hoti subhasita bhasi sukkata kammakari. Suchintita chinti, he always think good thing. Always he thinking, his behavior, his thinking always good thing. Subhasita bhasi, he always talk good thing, good verb, good verbal action. Sukkata kammakari, his action, bodily action always very pure. This meaning Suchintita chinti meaning mind action. Subhasita bhasi verbal action. Sukkata kammakari bodily action. Those are three action who has his Sappurisa. Okay, now you can decide by yourself. I have Sappurisa quality or not. Okay. Yes, because we are ordinary. Because of the reason sometimes change. Because of defilements. Not because of others. Because of defilement. Where is defilement? Where is defilement? In your house? In your office? In our mind. We cannot see. We cannot catch. Always changing. Okay. Then after that, our Lord Buddha divides ordinary person, divides into two ways. Andha putujjana, kalyana putujjana. Ando putujjano cheve kalyaneko putujjano. Duve putujjana vutta buddhenādicca bandhunā Ando putujjano cheva kalyaneko putujjano. Our Lord Buddha divide into two way ordinary person. One of andha putujjana. Andha meaning blind. Blind ordinary person. Kalyana putujjana good ordinary person. Andha meaning his wisdom eye blind. Wisdom eye. This is a wicked man. Already wicked. Okay, andha. But we are not include the andha. Why? If you want to become sappurisa, if you want to become develop your wisdom, you have to practice four quality, four dhamma. In the Anguttara Nikaya one sutta, Panya Vuddhi Sutta. Panya Vuddhi Sutta. First of all, Lord Buddha explained, you want to become good man. You want to develop your wisdom. At that moment, you have to associate Sappurisa Sanseva. You have to associate with the good virtuous man. Because of the reason, you can get good quality. If someone want to ordain this way, good or bad? Good. If someone want to ordain temporarily, good or bad? If someone going to disturb, don't ordain. Bad. This is we have to think which kind of mind. This Sappurisa mind or Asappurisa mind. If someone want to give dana, it is good or bad? Someone going to disturb to him. You have to think. This is this mind, good or bad meaning, you can understand what is our way. This Sappurisa mind or Asappurisa mind. Okay? Someone going to meditate. But someone like to support him, someone disturb to him. Who is the good or who is the bad? Support is the good, disturb bad. This is that's why if you want to develop your wisdom to attain Nibbana, you must associate the virtuous man, Sappurisa Sanseva. Second one, Saddhamma Savanam. Please listen our Lord Buddha's teaching. After listening the Dhamma talks, your wisdom become more clear. This second one. Third one, Dhammanudhamma Patipatti. You must practice Samatha Vipassana meditation. Because of first, you have to associate Sappurisa, virtuous man. Because of the reason, you can listen Dhamma from him. Because of the listen Dhamma talks, you can practice Samatha Vipassana meditation. Number fourth, Yoniso Manasikaro, wise attention, right attention. You are associate Asappurisa, wicked man. You cannot practice, you cannot get what is? You cannot listen any Dhamma. You cannot listen because you are associated with wicked man. You are associated with the bad person always. You cannot listen Dhamma from him. Okay? If you cannot listen Dhamma, this meaning you cannot practice meditation. If you cannot practice meditation, meaning you cannot develop your right attention. Okay? This is a virtuous man is a more important in the world. One day, Bhante Ananda went to the meditate. At that moment, one of the object appeared in his heart. heart base. Meaning the Bhante Ananda decide, the half of the sasana protect with the Sappurisa. Then he think, it's my one, it's correct. Now I want to ask from the Lord Buddha. After that, Lord Buddha explained to him, don't say Ananda like this. Not only half, whole sasana coming protect with the Sappurisa. Understand? Without Sappurisa, without virtuous man, we cannot practice anything, we cannot develop anything, we cannot bring our sasana, we cannot attain Nibbana. That's why virtuous man, Sappurisa, more important, try to by heart.
Just want to mention if someone wants to give dana and we stop, it's bad. What's the karmic result of that? Poor?
Yes. Actually, the some sutta explain different the benefit of the dana. If someone going to disturb, he also can get, he cannot become never ever the rich man. If someone usually he can, his life become like beggar. If he going to receive something, he cannot get. The one history in our Lord Buddha's time, the one of the beggar, his name Indika. I think know everybody. Indika. He always going to he's going to beg, but anything he cannot get. He 7 days continuously beg around the Savatthi city. Nothing. Last moment, one of the servant of the one house, slave of the one house, she's bringing the only pure rice, little bit rice to give the beggar. At that moment, he thought, why I am beggar this life? Because of I never ever give dana, never offered dana for the others. That's why. Now he's looking around. At that moment, Bhante Anuruddha also coming Pindapata behind him. Oh, he's very happy. He thought, okay, this is the servant, the bringing fruit for beggar, not for Bhante Anuruddha. Beggar, he thought, this is my labha, my profit. I can offer to the Bhante Anuruddha. Never mind, I can give up my life. After that, beggar told to the servant, please, those are rice, this rice, small rice packet, offer to the Bhante Anuruddha. Actually, Bhante Anuruddha at that moment, after Nirodha Samapatti, he coming Pindapata. Anyway, this same day, he passed away, because after 7 days he passed away, but his mind very happy. He never think I am beggar, I am poor, I am hungry. He never think. He happy mind only. He always keep happiness. Because of the reason he got Deva life, the very very powerful Deva life he got in the Tavatimsa. After 7 years of our Lord Buddha's enlightenment, our Lord Buddha went to there to give Abhidhamma talks. At that moment, our Lord Buddha, Lord Buddha right side, one of the Deva, his name Indika, left right, one of the Deva Ankura. Then the beginning, the Lord Buddha, after arrived to the Stavatinsa, at that moment both are stay near the Lord Buddha. Then after that, so many powerful Deva all are coming. At that moment, Ankura Deva go far away, cannot see the far away stay of the Buddha. But Indika is still near the Buddha's hand. Then Lord Buddha asked from him, what did you do? Come to the Devaloka. Asked from the Ankura, what did you do? Come to Devaloka. at that moment, the Ankura Deva, the Indika Deva, he explained to Lord Buddha whole history. Then Ankura also explained Bhante, I also offered dana not only 1 year, many years. Continuously, so many people receive my offer. But at that moment, not the Buddha Sasana season. Even one of the virtuous men didn't receive my dana. No anyone good man not receive. Because of the reason my punya very low. Now you have to understand. Sappurus is the more important this word. Okay? Ordination is to he difficult to ordain because the one reason only for the one of the Daruchirya. Only one reason they explain the Daruchirya, one of the disciple of the Lord Buddha, before he want to get ordination. Then Lord Buddha explained. He already got the arhatship on the way. Lord Buddha explained, okay, if you want to get ordination, please you find the chivara with the ball. Then on the way, one of the bull kill him. Then some bhikkhus complained to Lord Buddha. Then Lord Buddha explained the one reason he never ever offer tichivara with the ball for the sangha. That's why he cannot get ordination. This is one reason. Another one may be if someone going to disturb to somebody, please don't ordain. It is also the very bad akusala karma. This means result, he also cannot get ordination this life or maybe next life or future life. If you are going to free from household life, very calm, very peaceful, you can get Nibbana way very easy, no? This is the way. But exactly I cannot say what is the benefit. This way we have to understand. Okay? Next one, Dūta. Dūta. Meaning? Messenger. Purohita. Purohita. What is the meaning? Sahaya. Sahaya. What is the meaning? Rajaputta. Rajaputta. What is the meaning? Manava. Manava. What is the meaning? You. Okay. According to verbs, first one, ahindati. Ahindanti. Walk also can, walk also can English. Walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Next one, Sannipatati. Sannipatanti. Meaning? Our Lord Buddha explained the one place. Sannipatitanang vo bhikkhave dvyang karaniya. Who is assembled together in the one place, they have two duty. Dhammiva kata aryova tunhi bhavo. Dhammiva kata. If you want to talk something with each other, only you can talk with the Dhamma. With the Dhamma. If you nothing to talk behind of the Dhamma, you don't talk anything outside of the Dhamma, then Ariyova tunhi bhavo. Everywhere have. Huh? Ariyova tunhi bhavo. You have to keep noble silence like noble man, noble person. This is a two duty. For now we are assembled, no? Together, assembled. Now we are talking only Dhamma. Okay? This one also, the one place, one sutta explain. I forget the place. Anyway, Sannipatitanang vo bhikkhave dvayang karaniyan dhammiva kata ariyova tunhi bhavo. Okay. Next one, viharati. Viharanti. Viharati. Viharanti. Meaning jivati. Jivanti. Meaning tarati. Tarati. Taranti. Meaning cross the water. Okay, like this. But usually the we are this is like we cross the river. Like this time we have tarati. Next one, uttarati. Uttarati. Uttaranti. Meaning come out. Pasidati. Pasidati. Pasidanti. Pasidanti. Meaning sunati. Sunati. Sunanti. Meaning here. Uddeti. Uddeti. Uddenti. Uddenti. Meaning fly. Sakuno uddeti. The birds flies. Sakuna uddenti. Okay. Dhammang sunati. Here dham. Okay. Chittam pasidati. Chittang pasidati. Chitta means mind. Yeah. Your mind become happy, become pleased. Okay. Now I think time very near. 5 minutes have. Maybe I try to give one small example. Kassa kassa sukaro deepang dhavati. Now you have to understand that you say sukaro meaning subject, dhavati verb, deepang dutya. But actually deepa means not the direct object, indirect. Okay, indirect. Yeah, now the sukara belongs to somebody. Kassa kassa. Like this time, chatti become first word of this sentence. Okay, kassa kassa sukaro deepang dhavati. Meaning the farmer's pig runs to the island. We can say the farmer's pig runs to the island. The pig of the farmer runs to the island also can, but this is better because it's English. Understood? Understand? No. Chatti, chatti. Yeah, chatti ekavachana. Kassa kassa meaning chatti, not the chatutti. Chatti ekavachana. Because belong, of, belong. This meaning owner, the meaning. Owner, belong, of. Okay. Next one. Kassakanang sukara deepe dhavanti. Plural. Kassakanang sukara. The farmers' pigs run to the island. Good. Chatti bahuvachana. Yeah, because this is English. To the island adverb, not the chatutti. Because I go to the village. To the village adverb. To the island, to the mountain adverb. Sometimes I climb up the tree. Up the tree, also adverb. This is English. Okay, this is Tutiya. Alright, write down? Not yet. Okay, good. Only different chatti. Other all are same. Chatti meaning belong, owner, of. This is a meaning. Okay, next one. Still writing, no? It's okay. Okay. Sometime. Because like this place, sure, chatti. They follow the patama. You can see the different place different way. Yeah? Okay. Sorry. Patama have. Patama means the second word. Sukaro is a patama. Yeah, but according to this place, owner come to first. English, check English. The farmers speak. This is kassa kassa sukaro. We can say sukaro kassa kassa deepang dhavati. Not correct according to Pali. That's why kassa kassa sukaro. The owner of, they have the sukar is the subject, but owner, who is the owner? Farmer. That's why the farmers speak. That's why kassa kassa sukaro we add. Okay. Okay, next one. Narassa acharyo gamang gacchati. Very easy. Narassa acharyo. The man's teacher goes to the village. Chatutti, no, chatti ekavachana. I think the Ariya Pariyesana Sutta maybe. Sannipattanava Bhikkhe Dvankaraniya. Maybe, I forget. Ariya Pariyesana Sutta. Majjhima Nikaya. Ariya Pariyesana Sutta. Majjhima Nikaya. Sana Pariyesana Sutta. Maybe, Majjhima Nikaya. Okay. Next one. Acharyo narassa gamang gacchati. They have different cases. Now first one, chatti in front of patama. Second one, chatti in front of dutiya. That's why we want to explain different sentence. Yeah. Chatti in front of dutiya. Acharyo narassa gamang gacchati. Narassa meaning chatti. Gamang dutiya. In front of dutiya we add narassa. Okay? Meaning the teacher goes to the man's village. Village belongs to whom? No, very good. Understand. Yes, okay. Can, but this is the now we are going to explain the chatti case can apply everywhere like this way, but we can change another meanings you can get because the grammar are same but meaning different. Yeah. Can in the future you can understand what is the meaning. Can after practically. Okay. Time pass, no? Okay. The maybe next day also I try to explain again genitive cases of cases. Maybe you have the homeworks, but I think little bit maybe some are new words because you have the vocab list together you apply, but only different here chatti belong. Try to translate to English and translate to Pali. If you cannot, don't worry, next time I will explain. Okay. May you be free from all suffering. May you be attained Nibbana soon. We are sharing. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.